I'm excited by two Peter Sellers comedy gems that have been released from the StudioCanal archives. Two-Way Stretch is a 1960s British comedy caper starring the unrivalled comedy genius of Peter Sellers. This film is a celebration of the hilarious heist hijinks, joined by comedy legends LIONEL JEFFRIES from Chitty Chitty Bang Bang and Bernard Cribbyns from Daleks Invasion Earth. Watch as convict mastermind Dodge Lane, played by Sellers, breaks the rules, exploiting the prison governor's liberal ways to plot the ultimate crime caper with the perfect alibi. Teaming up with a motley crew of inmates, he plans to escape, snatch a priceless diamond stash and slip back into his cells before anyone's the wiser. There are great extras here too, Sellers on the Inside, a brand new feature, plus an audio commentary by comedy historians Gemma and Robert Ross, a behind the scenes gallery and a classic trailer too. Next up is Heavens Above from 1963, the opposite role for Sellers this time, as he plays an idealistic Reverend John Smallwood who lands a parish in an upper class village by mistake in the ultimate clerical error, preaching with a holy dose of chaos. His clerical decisions leave the landed gentry praying for mercy. Way ahead of its time, this satirical gem from the Bolting brothers, inspired by Malcolm Muggeridge, was deemed too sacrilegious in 1963 but now boasts a devoted flock of fans. With Sellers on top form, he's joined by a stellar cast: Eric Sykes, Roy Kinnear, Irene Handel, Joan Hickson and William Hartnell in the same year he was cast as the first Doctor in Doctor Who, and great American actor Brock Peters. This is definitely a sermon worth watching. And the extras here too, they're divinely good. Explore Sellers' Take Off in Heavens Above, a Q&A with Daily Mash's Tom Whiteley, Eva Griffith and Benedict Morrison, and Heavens Above, The Mask Behind the Mask. There's audio commentary by comedy historians Gemma and Robert Ross, and a lobby card gallery. This is a great double bill, but available separately for purchase now, and both have been lovingly restored and sparkle in HD.